Welcome to This Week in Williamsburg. I'm your host, Rebecca Suerdieck, curator of archivewilliamsburg.org. Now journey back in time with me to 1901. A monument was unveiled commemorating the exact location of where the Palace of Colonial Governors once stood. The ceremony was led by Mrs. Letitia Tyler Semple, daughter of President John Tyler. The marble memorial showcased historic information about Jamestown, Williamsburg, Yorktown, and the College of William and Mary. This week in 1912, Miss Pearl Parsley won first prize for securing more than 100 new subscriptions to the Virginia Gazette newspaper. Her reward was a brand new piano delivered to her Williamsburg home. Join me next time for another edition of This Week in Williamsburg, brought to you by archivewilliamsburg.org and the Williamsburg Old Time Radio Hour, your source for hometown history, online, on stage, and on the air. I'm Rebecca Suerdieck.